stable, which is immediate. So that these are the differences. Steps of next I'll share on steps of creating a charitable trust, living trust. So if you notice that there are difference and you do not want to create a testimonial charity trust because it will take a long time, you decide to take a different approach, which is the immediate approach, to create a immediate charity living trust. These are the few steps. We simplify it for you. Settlor, which is yourself or your client, if you are in professional firm, okay. The settlor, the client, to transfer asset to the trustee, and then the trustee company and the settlor will execute a trust deed, okay. And then the trustee company execute the term of the charitable trust, and later the trustee company apply for our IRB tax exemption license. So these are a few steps. The requirement to set up to create a charitable trust is number 1, state the objective of the trust. Number 2, the beneficiary must be members of the public. Okay. Number 3, state the entitlement of the beneficiary's eligibility. Number 4 is to specify asset to be settled into the trust. Number 5 is trustee company is to be the trustee. Okay. These are the requirements. And number 6 is to form protective committee. You can select your own protective committee to determine the beneficiary's eligibility. So these are the 6 requirements. So when you set up a charitable trust, besides the initial setup cost, okay, which is the trust deed, there are other long-term costs involved, which you need to factor in. Mainly there are 4. First, we start off in here, the top left corner, which is the trustee's annual fee and expenses. For this trustee annual fee and expenses, I think I didn't put it here, but you can find it in my website under here, Trust Administration, malaysiawives.com, Services Trust Administration. So these are the administration fee, okay, 0.75. 0.5 for the next 9 million, above 10 million is 0.25. However, if the estate is very sizable, okay, this fee is negotiable, right, Ijazah? This fee is negotiable. Go back to the presentation. Okay, yeah, so this is the trustee's annual fee and expenses. I'm sorry I didn't include that in, but you can find it in my website. Or this trustee fee, this is Rockville's trustee fee. If your trustee company is other company, then their fee will apply. Okay, but it's charged on annual basis. Next is because you form a protective committee to as a watchdog for your charitable trust, you will need to pay them a certain allowances or expenses because they need to go for meeting. Maybe you reimburse them on meal, transportation allowances.